Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the phone and laptop talk. On your Android, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so ADB can connect. On the laptop, install ADB and SCRCPY. These are the tools that let you mirror reliably. Connect the phone with a USB cable. Accept the computer's RSA prompt on your device. Once done, confirm a DB devices shows your phone. This direct USB path bypasses network quirks and is the only consistently low latency method for mirroring Android to a laptop. You now execute the mirror. In a terminal, run a DB devices to confirm the phone is authorized. If not, recheck the RSA prompt on the phone. Then run SCRCPY, simply type SCRCPY and press enter. The laptop window opens and shows your Android screen with minimal latency. If you need clarity or lower bandwidth, add options like bitrate 8M or max size 1280. Once running, you can interact with apps using mouse and keyboard. This makes demonstrations and recordings straightforward and precise. To finish, close the SCRCPY window or press Ctrl+C in the terminal, then safely disconnect the USB cable. If things go wrong, check 3 common causes: faulty USB cable, phone set to charging only instead of file transfer, or ADB not authorized. Make sure to switch the USB mode to file transfer, and if needed, run a DB kill server then a DB start server. For lag, lower SCRCPY's bitrate or max size and prefer a USB 3.0 port that fixes most performance issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.